Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and just long press on Bluetooth and just turn on Bluetooth. Here you can see the device name. As of now, device name is Oppo Reno 11 Pro. If you would like to change Bluetooth name here, just click on this and you can delete the name and you can write your own name. Here just I write Tasia and click on save. The Bluetooth name is now Tasia in my phone. In this way you can easily change Bluetooth name. To check it, just turn on Bluetooth on other device. Turn on Bluetooth on other device and long press on it. And turn on Bluetooth. You will see the device name here. Okay. Device name Tasia will be showing. Just wait. Pair new device. Click on pair new device and here Tasia is showing. Okay. So in this way you can easily change Bluetooth device name in your phone. Bluetooth name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.